You may not realise, but many of your engine components are manufactured by Denso. We lead the industry in automotive technologies and are unsurpassed in our experience and knowledge of common rail diesel. In fact, in 1995, we launched the world's first diesel common rail injection system for trucks, and the following year we introduced it to passenger vehicles. To offer customers a cost-competitive solution, we developed an exchange program for remanufactured diesel fuel injectors. This program is performed to original equipment standards with 100% Denso genuine parts. To begin, we record the data from the original injector, which is then cleaned and unwanted parts discarded. An inspection is carried out and all wearable components are replaced. The injector is then pressure tested on an ISO accredited test bench to ensure it meets emission regulations and is returned to original standards. What makes Denso reman injectors a cut above the rest? We encode each injector with unique test result information. Once the reman injector is installed, the new information is input into your engine computer to ensure optimum performance. At Denso, we make no compromises when it comes to the quality of our products and how much we love your engine.